Hi guys, McKenna Lauzon's tour reviews here. Today I have these here buckets full of beads with shotguns in them, and I'm gonna challenge myself to get them all in 1 minute. If I don't, I have to eat a piece of mushroom. I hate mushrooms. So, wow. Ready, set, go. I got a peckin. It's called Dinky Drink. If I'm not pronouncing that right, you can tell me in the comments down below. Put them right over there. First, we're going to go to this basket. Flushes the toilet from season 4. And there's my other shop. It couldn't fit. I'm going to feel around here. Oh, here's Milla Slice from season 3, maybe 4 too. I can't get the bead out of her. I'm pausing time here just because this doesn't count. So it's been about 30 seconds. So 30. Oh, 31. Noti notebook. 6 through 7. 8, 9, Time is going by quickly, guys. I'll try to find every single one really quick. Is that all? I don't know how many I put in here. Apparently not. Almost up. I got 10 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I missed 1, 2, 3. You know what that means? I have to eat a mushroom. Okay, going in my dining room. So I have to eat a slice of mushroom. Yeah. I'm just gonna go tell my mom. Okay, so Mom, I have to eat a slice of mushroom because I failed my challenge. So here I go. I'm gonna go get a mushroom if I have any. I hope so. I usually always have mushrooms. Let's see. Here. Here. If not, I'll try a slice of something else. So I know. Wait. Let's see here. Sometimes I don't look right. You guys see any? Behind here. No, I don't see any. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to have to eat a slice of lemon. Those are sour. Oh, there's some mushrooms. Never mind. So here's mushrooms. Now, to eat a slice of those, let me go get a knife. I have a special knife I use. Let's see if it's sturdy. If it is, I'll get a different one. Nope, it's not dirty. I use this knife because it doesn't have those gills or those little sharp things that has on that knife. So here I go, getting myself some mushroom. I don't want to do it, but I have to. I feel my challenge. Okay, ready? Come on, get off. I don't have to eat that big of a piece though. I don't think I'm gonna make it. So, ready, set, go. I have to eat these pieces of mushroom. Ooh. Ready, set. I'm not gonna like this. Okay. Yuck. 2 more pieces. Let's have some water here, juice. Oh, wow, it's disgusting. Yuck. Yuck. Okay, 1 more piece. I'm not eating that big of a piece. I'm not. This piece. I'm gonna throw these last pieces in the garbage. Tiny little crumbs. I didn't eat the whole thing. Oh, that's disgusting. Well, I guess that's it for this video. And if you like this, put a thumbs up. If you didn't, put a thumbs down. But I'd love you to put a comment, because that lets me know if you want me to do more videos like this, like a challenge. So thank you guys. Bye.